is Taurus. Taurus is represented by the planet Venus. So the Taurus people have all the features of the Venus planet. These people love materialistic world. They are emotional too. They are practical and reliable too. They are very loyal in their relationship. It is seen being they are very stubborn. Once they decided anything, they will stick to it. Whatsoever come in their life, they will stick to their goals. It is seen that these people are very much into materialistic world. They want everything to be very perfect in their life. They want a lot of financial security in their life. Taurus people are kind-hearted and reliable. It is seen as a parents, these people want security, reassurance from their child, and they are very good parents also. They want they support their child in every way possible. As a child, Taurus people are very much supportive to their parents, and as a partner, they love their partner very much. They are very much loyal towards their partner till they receive that type of emotions and love from them. But if they don't receive that type of emotions and love from their partner, then they become very intense. Then they have a problem of anger issues too. If they are not getting that support and emotions from their partners, sometimes it seems like they feel like detached from their partners too, if they are not getting the same support and love from their partner. Otherwise, if their partners are very supporting and loving to them, then they show more love and support towards their partner. As a siblings, these people are very competitive, but at the same time they are very supportive too. In the relationship, they are very shy and they are not so expressive. In the work, they have a lot of ethics in the work. Whatever they have decided, they will do that. But sometimes because of their goals, they sometimes face a lot of setbacks and the problem in their career too. In the marriage, once they decided whatever the commitment they are going to give to their partner, they will stick to their commitment and they will always stand with their partner. So Taurus people are good in maintaining relationship. They stick to their partner till their partner is not hurting them, till their partner is not harming them. Otherwise, if their partner are very supportive to them, it is seen that Taurus people give more love to. People face a lot of problem from the child side. First, conceiving the child, they face a lot of problems. When they conceive the child, their child attitude towards them seems it's not good. Sometimes they suffer from the child health too. To enhance your luck child-wise, they should pray to the Mercury planet. Do remedies for the Mercury planet, because Mercury planet gives them a lot of problem related to the children. What they have to do, they should chant mantra Om Budh Buddhaya Namah and always keep the green aventurine stone in the north direction. It is going to help you out to enhance their luck child-wise. If you have an average married life, it is seen that they see a lot of ups and downs in your life. Sometimes ego clashes come in between. Their partner are very supportive and caring to them, but it is seen because their thoughts doesn't match, due to which they are the ego clashes seen in the love relationship. It is suggested to them to wear more bright color clothes like silverish, white, and try to wear more green color clothes to enhance your luck love wise and relationship wise. Friendship life, it is seen that they have a very few friends, but among them one or two are their best friend who will be there with them in the lifetime. And it is seen that in their young age they have a good number of friends, but later in the stage they left out with a very few friends. To enhance your luck friendship wise, you should always wear the six-mukhi Rudraksha, but make sure when you are wearing the Rudraksha, you should not eat the non-veg. Usually it is seen that the Taurus people are very lucky finances wise and money wise. They will never face the scarcity of money in their life, and the main ruling for them, the main ruling planet for the money is Shani. As much as they pray to Lord Shani, their money-wise and the career-wise problem will be solved. To enhance your luck money-wise and the career-wise, you should chant mantra Om Sham Shanacharaya Namah. Wear the iron ring in your middle finger and try to offer some cooked food to the needy every Saturday. If you follow this rules lifetime, you will never ever face any type of scarcity in your life, because the planet which gives you money is Lord Shani. And Shani is the main ruling planet for the Taurus people. So if you work on your Shani planet, chant Shani mantra, it is going to help you out to enhance more your luck money-wise and career-wise. A major health-related problem you face is a hormonal disbalance like thyroid, PCOD, ear, neck-related problem, and it is seen that you major face a problem related to stomach and skin-related too. To to improve and to overcome the challenges related to the health, you should always pray to Lord Vishnu. Try to plant one banana plant at your house and try to offer water to the banana plant daily. It is going to help you out to enhance your luck health wise. And every Thursday try to do fasting or chant the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. As much as you pray to Lord Vishnu, it is going to help you out to overcome the problem related to the health. Love life, usually it is seen that you have a good love life, but because of your own restless nature, because of your own anger issues and the stubborn nature, you face problem in your love relationship. To enhance your luck love relationship wise, you should all, because the major planet which is responsible for the problems in your love relationship is a Jupiter and Rahu. If your rising sign, moon sign or the sun sign is Taurus and you don't have a good Jupiter and the Rahu planet, this gives a problem in your love life. For that, you should always keep Rahu Chandan. What is Rahu Chandan? So that is a white Chandan, wrap it in a blue color cloth and always keep this with you. It is going to help you out to improve your love relationship. You can DM us on the given number. My team can help you out with the Rahu Chandan. You can place the order through us. We can send you the energized Rahu Chandan. To enhance your luck overall, you should start your day while eating curd. Whenever you are doing any important work in your life, or you are going for an interview, or you are meeting someone special and you want that work to be completely successfully, then start your day, eat first thing curd in the morning. To enhance your luck overall, always keep Shank in your house. It is going to help you out to enhance your luck.